In this video, I'm going to reveal how to best use Kajabi automations with the Kajabi platform. Now, you'll want to keep watching until the end of this video to learn how Kajabi automations give you a competitive advantage over people using other platforms. Now, you might be wondering, why should you care about this? Why should you be leveraging the Kajabi automations feature? And the reality is, using automations allows you to automate basic administrator actions while also helping you to easily scale your business much faster without sacrificing a consistent high-quality experience. Now, if you've never watched my videos before, I'm Dex Williams, and I've helped others market and sell their knowledge online since 2007. Over that period of time, I've watched as many entrepreneurs failed to leverage automated systems in order to increase their sales and marketing results, which is why Kajabi automations are just one of the features that attracted me to the Kajabi platform. So here's how Kajabi automations help make marketing and selling your products online easier. Kajabi automations focus on providing you with additional efficiencies when using the Kajabi platform. Now, the type of automation you have access to will depend on the plan that you have. If you are on the basic Kajabi plan, you will have access to basic automations, whereas with Kajabi Growth and Kajabi Pro plans, you'll have access to advanced automations. So let's talk about the basic automations. Essentially, the automations for basic are just limited to when and then trigger fields. Here's what that means. You can tell the system when a certain action or condition is met, whether an assessment is completed, a tag is added or removed, an email was opened, clicked, an event was registered, or a person has just been, inactive for several days, then take a specific step. Kajabi automations can be found in pipelines. So when creating a simple pipeline or sales funnel within Kajabi, you could make it so that when a form is submitted with your pipeline, that an offer or product or service is instantly granted to the person who submitted that form. Or perhaps anytime someone submits that form, you want to send them a single-use coupon to give them a discount on a product or service that you offer. Another example would be with email campaigns. So you could have an automation that gets triggered when an email sequence is sent, when an email sequence is opened, or when a link inside of an email sequence is clicked. So an idea here could be that you make an email sequence that contains information on a product or service that you provide. And if anyone was to click one of the links in that email, you could automatically tag them as having clicked the link and show an interest in that product or service so that you could automatically follow up with them. You also have events. So with Kajabi Live Events, you could make it so that when someone registers for an event, that they are automatically added to an email sequence to follow up with them, to prepare them for the event, to keep them excited for the event so that you aren't constantly having to do it manually and you're not relying on an outside platform to have to connect with in order to do it either. You also have forms. So within Kajabi, you can create a form and then place it on a web page or on a product, etc. And now when someone submits that form, maybe it's a contact form, maybe it is a request form of some sort, you could send an automatic email that you customized with information regarding that form. Perhaps you add or remove a tag because they submitted that form, or perhaps you subscribe them to an email sequence, just like with the events. You also have offers. So you could have it so that when an offer is purchased or granted, an automation takes place. Or what I would actually use is that should a payment be successful, or more specifically, failed or canceled, an automation could take place. So here's a great example for you. Let's say you have a subscription membership. If someone was to cancel their purchase that subscription, you could have Kajabi send out an automatic email saying, hey, we just saw that you canceled your subscription. We're sad to see you go. Do you have any questions or concerns? Or is there anything we could do to improve things in the future? Blah, 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 blah. Or perhaps you send a single-use coupon that gives them a limited time discount to try and get them back into your subscription. All of these are powerful strategies using the Kajabi automation feature. And last but not least, you also have product posts. So when someone is going through your digital course, your digital membership, when they complete a post, a lesson in your course, you can have an automation that tags them saying that they completed it. You could have an email going out, say, congratulations, you just completed this lesson. Perhaps you grant them access to a surprise bonus product or service, or you subscribe them to an email sequence. There's so much flexibility here, but that's not all. All of those were just examples of the basic automations. With the advanced automations, you can add conditions to those when-then fields. Here's a couple examples. You could have a condition that says when someone submits a form in the pipeline, they get access to a specific offer, a specific product, as long as they have joined in the last 7 days. Or you could have someone who clicks a link in an email sequence receive a special offer through a single-use coupon or a one-time email if that person has been active or has not been active in a certain period of time. There is so much flexibility and power here that it is mind-blowing. Now, that being said, many platforms like Teachable and Thinkific claim they provide automation capability, but they are typically just sending that information to another platform like an email marketing service to make the actual desired action. Kajabi includes the automation feature in all of their plans at no additional cost to Kajabi users. And that is what makes it such a mind-blowingly good bargain. If you don't already have access to Kajabi and you are curious about seeing how the platform could help you grow your online business even faster, then you'll want to check out the current special offer for Kajabi below this video. Not only do you get access to an extended free trial, if not more, with the current special offer, you also get access to my $997 Business Toolkit bonus bundle for Kajabi when you get access to the platform using the link below. This will be automatically sent to you, and you can see the details of what's included in that bonus bundle below this video. Now, I'm curious, what tasks do you plan to automate in your business? Comment below. And if you want more videos featuring Kajabi updates and strategies, make sure to click that like button, push that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out on a single new video. And speaking of videos, you'll want to be sure to watch this video for additional strategies and resources right now.